Good day. Welcome, dear children and parents. Today I will brief you about the English formative assessment for the month of September. We'll be having two formative assessments. One will be activity and one will be assignment. In the month of August, we have already finished doing one activity, that is compound words. Yes. So, for the month of September, this is the second activity which will be for 10 marks. The activity is for composition. We have finished doing the composition trees. Yes, we have learned the composition trees. So the children have to write down the composition in very nice handwriting, neatly in a sheet of paper. Now you will take a sheet of paper, a ruled sheet of paper, write your name, standard division, roll number and SID number. Now we had learned 12 points for the composition, right? But you will write only 10 points. You will write only 10 points for the composition in very nice handwriting. Use a sharpened pointed pencil and write in nice handwriting. Dark pencil you will use for writing it. Okay. So this was the first formative assessment for the month of September for the English, for the subject English. The second formative assessment for English is an assignment. Okay, this is also for 10 marks and the assignment is for active English. Now, we'll be asking 10 questions. Students will be asked 10 questions and they will write only the answers in proper order in nice handwriting. Okay, how you have to write, as in when I'll explain the questions, I'll tell you how you have to write the answers in your answer sheet. Now, question A. Complete the sentences using but. You will not write the questions. Only what I tell, that only you will write it in your answer sheet. Okay. So, this you have not to write it in your answer sheet. This is for you to know what is the question about. Okay. Number 1. This book is thick, blank. A blank is given. So, looking at the clues and picture, you have to complete the sentence. You will write the first part of the sentence, draw a blank and then complete the sentence. I repeat the question, this book is thick, blank, and complete the sentence. Second one, this door is open, blank. Look at the pictures and clues and complete the blank. Write the first part of the sentence and draw a blank and complete the sentence. B question is answer the questions. Okay, this also you will not write. This is just for you to know what is the question. Now, question number 3, is this a car or a lorry? Okay, and what you will do is in your answer sheet you will write answer 3 and you will just write the answer for this question. Is this a car or a lorry? Okay, now see the fourth question. Are these cups or glasses? Again, what you have to do is in your answer sheet, you will write answer 4, draw a blank and write the answer. So, you will not write the question, you will write only the answers. Next, C question, filling the blanks using please, please don't, it, you. So, you will continue 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So, the fifth fill in the blank is she is talking to dash. Blank is given, write the answer. Sixth one, dash fight. Dash fight. Seventh one is he is carrying dash. He is carrying dash. Dash listen to me. Dash listen to me. Eighth one. So, in the previous slide, I told you the words please, please don't, it and you. Okay, from that you have to choose the correct answer and write it in the blank. So you will write the full sentence and draw a blank and write the answer. Okay. Now D question. Rewrite the sentences using one. Using the word one. So see the ninth sentence. Prem has a blue shirt, Mohan has a blue shirt. So you will write answer 9 and write only the answer. Okay, you will write answer 9, draw a blank and write only the answer in the blank. Okay, you will have to rewrite the sentence using the word one. You don't have to write the question. Now same way for 10th, Maya has a thick book, Anu has a thick book. Write answer 10, draw a blank and rewrite the sentence using the word one. Now see, this is the how you have to write the answers. Again, take a ruled paper, write your name, standard division, roll number, SID number, write numbers 1 to 10 and write down all the sentences, all the answers. Okay, in very nice handwriting. Again, use a sharpened pointed pencil, use a dark pencil and write it without making any spelling mistakes. Students should complete the activity and assignment neatly. Okay, write it in very nice handwriting. Be neat with your work. Parents are requested to click the separate photos of the activity and assignment. Yes, parents, this is a very important note for you all. You have to click separate photos for the assignment and the activity. You don't have to make a PDF file, okay, because we have to save the activity and assignment separately in different folders. So you will click separately the photos of the activity and assignment and send it separately. Write your name and assignment or activity, the name of the assignment or activity and send it. And you have to send it on 9th between 12 noon and 8 p.m. Okay, you have to send it on 9th of September between 12 noon and 8 p.m. If you will send it after 8 p.m., we will not consider. Okay, so children, do your assignment and activity well. Goodbye. Thank you. Saira.